Good morning from Qingdao, China, where I've been staying for the last 2 days. Had a great time here, but unfortunately it's time to head home. Flying Cathay Pacific today, flight CX951 from Qingdao to Hong Kong, departing at 2:40 p.m. and arriving in Hong Kong at 6:25 p.m. Flying economy class in the back of the bus today, on board the Airbus A330-300 aircraft. If you're already subscribed to the channel, welcome back. It's great to see you again. If you are new here, welcome, and I hope you enjoy the video. Let's head down to the airport, shall we? Well, here we are then, Qingdao International Airport. I really do like the architecture at Qingdao Airport. I'll cover that a little bit more after I'm checked in and I'm airside. International and domestic passengers check in the same building, so easy to find your way around here. You can't get lost. Anyway, check-in counters for Cathay Pacific today. Check-in counters C. Here's a list of all the airlines that operate out of Qingdao Airport. Suitcase is checked in, on its way to Auckland. Got my boarding pass for Hong Kong and Auckland. Let's head through security and go airside. I really like the terminal at Qingdao. It's easy to navigate. Sort of sweeps through from check-in behind the wall there, through security. Got some shops, duty-free shops here, selling tobacco, alcohol, etc. You got a lounge here, the VIP Club 5, which you can pay cash to access, 300 RMB, or it's accessible for eligible passengers travelling on Cathay, ANA, Korean Air and Air Busan. You come down the escalators here, down to the gates, and you got some retail shops down there. Yeah, 7-Eleven, McDonald's, some more duty-free shopping down there. Yeah, let's head to the gate. Just come down the escalators. We've got another lounge here, the VIP Club 2. It's accessible for eligible passengers travelling on these airlines. You can also pay cash at the door, 300 RMB, or if you've got a priority pass or lounge key, you can also gain access to this lounge. Let's go for a little walk around. Got a 7-Eleven store up there. Got a few more retail stores here, McDonald's. This is the international concourse of Qingdao Airport, which is just one long hallway, not hard to get lost here. To the right, I believe this is domestic departures and more domestic gates here. The resident airline at Qingdao is Jiaodong Airlines, which makes sense because we're in the Shandong province. They operate a fleet of Boeing 737-800 aircraft. They've got 137 in total. So aircraft for today's flight then is an Airbus A330-300, 10.4 years old at time of filming, delivered to Cathay Pacific October 2014. Powered by two Rolls-Royce Trent 772B60 engines. It's got 24 business class seats and 293 economy class seats. Hello. Thank you very much. Here we have the economy class cabin in a 242 configuration, with the exception of the last few rows at the back, which are in a 232 configuration. 293 seats in total. This is the, I could say, regional business class in a 222 configuration. We're pushed off the gate well ahead of schedule this afternoon. Sit back, relax, enjoy the taxi and takeoff footage from runway 16. Catch up again once we're in the air.
Pull the strap until tight. We also have seatbelts available for children under 2. Seatbelts should be worn whenever the seatbelt sign is switched on.
我们也为2岁以下的儿童提供专用安全带。当扣上安全带的指示。
Here's the features you can expect to find in a standard economy class seat on board Cathay Pacific on the A330 aircraft. It's got the IFE screen, which is nice and responsive, has a good selection of English, Cantonese, Mandarin, Indian and Filipino movies. We also have the interactive flight map here. So it's taking a little bit long to load this afternoon. Below the screen we have a USB socket for charging your devices. And below the screen you've got a small little pocket there to put your passport or your wallet or something in. Here's the tray table folded in half and folds out like so. And it can also be slid back and forward. And on the back of the tray table is a cup holder, so there's no need to pull the tray table out to put your drink on. Seat pocket contents, a safety card, a Cathay magazine and air sickness bag. Not too bad leg room, a little bit tight, I am 6'1". Overhead we have individual reading lights, but unfortunately there's no individual air vents. Every seat has universal power sockets which can be used to charge your laptop or your cell phone or any other devices. There's the economy class seat fully reclined, pretty generous if you ask me. It's also got a comfortable amount of padding as well. Not too bad for today's 3.5 hour flight. So Wi-Fi is available on today's flight. Cathay Diamond first and business class passengers have free Wi-Fi. If none of those apply to you, here are the prices as follows. $3.95 for a messaging pass, $9.95 for 1 hour of continuous access, or $12.95 for the entire flight. Meal service started about 30 minutes after departure. So our lunch then for today, I went for the chicken option, served with steamed rice, bok choy, pasta salad, fresh fruit, a bread roll and strawberries and cream ice cream with orange juice. Another great meal on board Cathay this afternoon. Catering is something these guys really do excel at. Right, lavatory on the Cathay Pacific Airbus A330-300. I like this lighting they got in the mirror, that adds a nice touch. The sink and tap down there, faucet, soap dispenser, garbage disposal, some tissues, paper towel, hand cream and sanitizer. Got an aircon vent, AC vent, which is nice. Change table, the toilet down there, and last but not least, got ourselves a coat hook. Ended up moving up to seat 59 kilo. Spare seat next to me, which is nice. Not a bad view from here, just behind the wing. I think we're going to be starting our descent to Hong Kong soon. I just started our descent to Hong Kong. Estimated to be on the ground 5:45 p.m. taxiing this afternoon. We touched down on runway 07 left, the new runway at Hong Kong, which is the runway being used for arriving aircraft. There's a new terminal being built over there, which doesn't look too far off completion. Hopefully get to check that out one day. Welcome to Hong Kong. Another great flight on board Cathay Pacific. Thanks for coming along for the ride. Great cabin crew as usual, good food as well. If you did enjoy that video, leave a like down below and feel free to subscribe, help support the channel. And, leave a comment too if you enjoyed the video. If you've flown Cathay before, let me know how your experience went. Whether it's in the sea or in the skies, we'll see you next time. Catch ya.